part 2 of my 31 and mDesign collaboration unboxing. This box has even more than the last box, but let's get to it. I went ahead, there was some confusion brought on by myself, of course, with the last box, and I didn't know what products were which because some of them are very similar but different sizes. So I did my research this time, opened the box, kind of familiarized myself with it. So I've seen the stuff, and it's all unwrapped, so I don't have to edit all of that out. But I'm really excited to show you all everything because this box, so good. If you are not already following me on Instagram, I highly suggest going over there. Hit follow on Instagram at Whitney's Totes Adorbs. The link can be found in the description because I am showing all of these products in action over there. First, we have these two products. We have the open clear storage bin, and then we have the wide open clear storage bin. This is where the confusion lied with the last video because a lot of the products are the same but different sizes to fit in different spaces, to fit in your pantry and to fit in my pantry. You'll definitely want to measure, and I can help you with that to suggest the products that will fit in your space. These two are really cool. I actually ordered another one of these to go underneath our sink to have our cleaning products and such inside. I think that this is gonna make that spot, that cabinet under our sink, look really nice. I also have here our bamboo clips. I think I showed some of them in the last video, but I wanted to show you all more. So we have snacks. Let me see if I can scoot up again. Oh yes, much better. We have snacks. I showed that in the last video, I think. And then kitchen wares, these two are blank. So I'm going to use the stickers again that I showed in the last video in part 1. And I'm going to put a sticker on here to personalize them for what I need in my pantry. These do come personalized. The next products I'm really excited about, and that is our wire storage baskets. So we again have 3 different sizes with even more in here. So I will pull that out and show that in a second. So we have the smallest size, and then we have one that is wider than the smallest, and then we have one that's longer. These are going to look so good in laundry rooms. They're going to look really good in my pantry. My pantry already has drawers in it that are kind of this color, so it's gonna complement it so well. So we have 3 sizes here. Again, we have the long wire storage basket. We have the square wire storage basket. And then this one here is just the wire storage basket. So you can see, make sure that you are asking me for measurements. Look on the website. Again, the description's in the comments so that you can make sure that they fit your space. These are so beautiful. I also love the wire because it does give it a little something extra. You can see through it, so you can see what's inside. Another really great thing about the wire is that you can use the bamboo clip and it will tell you what goes into the wire basket. 2 thumbs up. This one is another one of my favorites. It's the wide bamboo storage bin and the long bamboo storage bin. This one is the wide and this one is the long. And check this out. This one can sit on top of this one and it makes it work together. Again, I love this bamboo because it already complements my pantry, but bamboo is a sustainable alternative for wood, so we know we love that. And then also bamboo naturally resists stains and odors, so it's going to look really nice in your pantry, but then it's also going to work for you in your pantry whenever you're using it around food. I think this one would look really pretty in a bathroom with some cosmetics in it. If you are blessed with lots of counter space in your bathroom, I think that these two would look really good in a bathroom. Okay, one of our 31 classics, a product that you all know and love, is the Fresh Market Thermal in the line drawn flowers. This print, y'all, it is so beautiful. I love this blue. I think that it screams winter, but it's also soft enough that it like transitions really pretty into spring. If you do not already have a Fresh Market Thermal, this is definitely one that you need to have. You can put ice directly inside of it, so no more big bulky coolers. You can break it down whenever you're not using it. It holds like 2.5 gallons of milk plus like other stuff because, you know, other stuff can fit in the nooks and crannies of it. It's really big. And then it does have a front pocket here, and it has the straps, and then it can unbutton for even more room. So I think the side is buttoned. Yeah, and then this side is not, so you can see where it would pop up for more room. Next, we have the Where To wallet. I love this wallet. If you're a small purse girl, then this is the wallet for you. We have the All About the Benjamins wallet, which is like 12 card slots. It's huge. It can even fit your phone. You can add a wristlet strap to it. It makes a great wristlet. But if you're just looking for something smaller, check out the Where To wallet. It has 2 card slots here, plus 2 more here. 1, 2, 3 more here. It does zip at the top for your loose change or cash, and then it has an ID holder and another card slot here, and it does have that claw tooth clip that you can clip inside of a bag, a purse. You can add a wristlet strap, whatever you want to do with that. This caramel two-toned is really pretty. Next, we have the mini weaved basket. I love this one. I actually already have it. It's in my bathroom. It has all of my makeup that I use every day inside of it, and it keeps it looking pretty. It's very accessible. I can just grab out of it, but it doesn't look like a mess on the countertop. You could also put a little small plant in here with a planter. You can put pens and pencils in here. This one's super versatile, and it comes in a small, which is actually quite large, and then it comes in a large, which is absolutely huge. Make sure to ask me for the dimensions on those two if you're unsure. I can help you with them. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have reusable snack bags for days. If you all don't already have these, add them to your next order. They are going to take place of the plastic bags that are going to end up in landfills, so make sure that you are choosing something that you can reuse. They are washable, they're cute as can be. So this is the avocado. This one is so fun for Valentine's Day. Again, we have the line drawn flowers, which is going to be a big hit this season. These are the medium size, and these are the small. So I have the same prints in the small -1. We have the X's and O's, avocados, and then this one is bright stripes. You can pack these in lunch boxes, y'all. So put your Cheez-Its, your carrot sticks, you can put whatever you want inside of these instead of Ziploc baggies. It will make the earth and me very, very happy. I am a firm believer that we do not need millions of people to recycle and reuse and reduce perfectly. But if we have a million people that try a little bit to reduce their waste or recycle, that is going to make a big difference. This is an easy spot to start. That was everything. Thank you for joining me for part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you are not already following me on Instagram, do that, and then join my customer group on Facebook as well. All of the links that you need are in the description of this video. If you love what you see, but you don't want to spend a thing, make sure you are booking a party with me. You can reach out to me. Again, the link to reach out is in the video. I want to help you earn all of this for free. If you'd rather pay for it, the link to shop is in the description as well. I hope that you all will join me for my next video and follow me over on Instagram for even more 31 content. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.